Look at the drawing given in the figure, which has been drawn with ink of uniform line thickness. The mass of ink used to draw each of the two inner circles and each of the two line segments is m. The mass of the ink used to draw the outer circle is 6m. Don't read it as 6 meters, it is 6m. The coordinates of the centers of the different parts are outer circle origin, left inner circle negative a comma positive a or a, right inner circle a, vertical line 0 0 and horizontal line 0 negative a. The y coordinate of the center of the mass of the ink in this drawing is a by 10, a by 8, a by 12 and a by 3. Okay. So let us now take the figure and draw an enlarged view of it. To make it understand better. Okay, suppose this is our figure. Yes. And let's also show the x and the y axis. Alright, and how many now elements are there? Look, what they are saying is the ink is of uniform line thickness. Ink is of uniform line thickness. What does that tell? That tells us that geometric center coincides with center of mass. Okay, center of mass of what? Individual bodies, not for the whole body. Individual bodies, because individual bodies are linear. Okay, alright. So do we know the formula for y bar? Yes. Y bar is summation mi yi upon summation mi. Okay. Now how many bodies are there? Let's name them. Let us call the outer circle as 2, this circle 1, this circle as 2, this circle as 3, the vertical line as 4 and the horizontal line as 5. Okay. What is m1? The mass of the ink used to draw the outer circle is 6m. Okay, so it will be 6m. And because they are saying that the coordinates of the centers of different parts are outer circle 0 0, so this will be 0. What is the mass of the second object? The mass of the second object is m. In fact, all remaining smaller objects have mass m. And the y coordinate of its center is a. Right? Y coordinate of the center is a. Left inner circle a. Y coordinate, okay? Plus for 3 it will be again m into a. For 4 it will be what? 0. And for 5 it will be? Negative ma, correct. And in the denominator it will be m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4 plus m5. Okay, fine. So 6m into 0, so this will be 0. Plus ma and minus ma will get cancelled. This will be 0. So it will be ma upon 6 plus 4. Okay, so am upon 10m, that will be a part. So the answer will be option A. Okay. Now let us try to find out the x coordinate here. Not us, but let's find it out. Summation mi xi upon summation mi. Okay. 6m into 0. For the second object, look, it is in the second quadrant. Right, it is in the second quadrant, so this will be negative a. This will be positive a. For the fourth object, it will be 0. And what about the object? That will also be 0, right? Because it is on, oh no, wait. It's x coordinate, okay. For fifth object, vertical line 0 0, horizontal line 0 minus a. Yeah, okay, obviously it will be center, right? X coordinate 0 upon 10m. So will x bar be 0? Look, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0. Yes, x bar is 0. Now can you tell me why x bar is 0 by looking at the figure? Right? Is y-axis an axis of symmetry? Yes.
Yes.
As y-axis is the axis of symmetry, and second and more important point, ink is of uniform line thickness, and ink is of uniform line thickness. X bar comma y bar, the center of mass lies on the y-axis. Therefore, x bar has to be equal to 0 because for all points on the y-axis, the x coordinate is equal to 0. Understood?